Today I'm going to be reviewing Tipre's analog scale with BMI. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I'm going to show you a video of my son actually standing on it. It was really easy. Just unwrapped it out of the box. You just have to zero it off with this right here. And when you go weigh yourself, you put in your height and you put that down to where it's zero. So you just twist this, and then this will land in where your BMI is, and you're good to go. What I really like about analog scales is you don't have to worry about batteries. They're way more accurate and super easy to use. This goes up to 150 kilograms or 330 pounds. It's got a nice, comfortable anti-slip platform here and no batteries required. I'm going to put up a video of my son. I just had my son stand on there. I had already zeroed it out. Went on there, like I said, we put his height in, so you'll see that we're going to get his weight and BMI, but just super easy to use. This does pretty good on Amazon. It gets 4.2 stars with 136 reviews, and last month over 1,000 plus of these were sold, so that's good. People are liking it. People aren't returning it. So if you're looking for a scale, you want something easy, you don't want to have to deal with batteries, I think this might be the way to go. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.